Welcome to Digital Dynamo, one more day in the world of digital marketing. Today we delve into the fascinating realm of social media marketing. A buzzword you've likely heard, but what does it really mean? Imagine social media as a bustling marketplace, brimming with potential customers. Social media marketing is the art of setting up your stall in this marketplace, strategically placing your products, and engaging passers-by in conversation, all with the aim to entice and convert them into loyal customers. In today's digital age, it's not just an option, but a necessity. The ubiquity of social media platforms has made them a powerful tool for marketers. It's where your audience spends a significant chunk of their day, making it an ideal space to build your brand, engage with your audience, and drive traffic to your website. It's like having a billboard in the middle of Times Square, but instead, it's in the palm of your audience's hand. It's a way to be seen, heard, and remembered. From small businesses to multinational corporations, social media marketing has become an integral part of their marketing strategy. But it's not just about posting pretty pictures and witty captions. Oh no, it's about creating a dialogue, a two-way street between you and your audience. It's about understanding their needs, their wants, their pain points, and offering solutions. It's about creating content that resonates with them, that they find valuable, that they want to share with their friends and family. It's about being consistent, being authentic, being human. Because at the end of the day, people want to do business with people, not faceless corporations. And the beauty of it all, it's measurable. You can track your performance, see what's working, what's not, and adjust accordingly. That's the power of social media marketing. It's dynamic, it's interactive, it's real-time. And that, my friends, is the power of social media marketing. It's not just about selling, it's about building relationships. It's about creating a community. It's about making your mark in the digital universe. Stay tuned as we delve deeper into the nuts and bolts of social media marketing in the next scene. Now that we understand the importance of social media marketing, let's delve into how it works. Social media marketing is like a well-oiled machine, with numerous components working together to create a successful campaign. Let's break it down to its nuts and bolts. At the heart of social media marketing is strategy. This is the blueprint, the game plan. It includes defining your target audience, setting goals, and choosing the right platforms. Your strategy is the compass that guides your campaign, helping you decide which direction to take and when to make that crucial turn. Next, we have planning. This is where the rubber meets the road. It's about deciding what content to create, when to post it, and how to promote it. Planning is a critical step that ensures your campaign runs smoothly and consistently. Now let's talk about execution. This is the action phase, where all your planning and strategizing come to life. It involves creating compelling content, engaging with your audience, and analyzing the results to fine-tune your approach. Execution is where you roll up your sleeves and get down to business. An integral part of social media marketing is content creation. This is the fuel that powers your campaign. Content can be anything from blog posts, videos, and images to podcasts, infographics, and more. It's all about creating valuable, shareable content that resonates with your audience. Finally, we come to sharing. This is the final piece of the puzzle, the step that puts your content in front of your audience. Sharing is about promoting your content, engaging with your audience, and building relationships. It's about getting your message out there and making your voice heard. All these components, when skillfully orchestrated, create a symphony of engagement, reach, and conversion that is the essence of social media marketing. And that's how the magic happens behind the scenes in social media marketing. You might be wondering, where does all this marketing take place? Well, let's explore the platforms. When it comes to social media marketing, the world is your oyster. There are countless platforms out there, each with its unique audience and marketing approach. Let's break down some of the major players. First off, Facebook, the reigning champion of social media platforms. With billions of active users worldwide, Facebook allows businesses to reach a broad audience. Its powerful ad targeting capabilities enable you to get your message in front of the right people, making it an excellent platform for broad-based brand awareness and specific targeted campaigns. Next up, we have Instagram, the king of visual storytelling. This platform is all about aesthetics. With its focus on images and videos, Instagram is the perfect place for brands that want to showcase their products or services in a visually appealing way. Plus, Instagram's younger demographic makes it an excellent choice for brands targeting a younger audience. Then there's Twitter, the platform where conversations happen. Its fast-paced, real-time nature makes it an ideal platform for customer service, PR, and staying on top of trending topics. Twitter is also great for businesses that want to establish a more personal, direct connection with their audience. LinkedIn, on the other hand, is the go-to platform for B2B marketing. It's where professionals hang out. With its focus on business and professional content, LinkedIn is the perfect place for businesses to establish their industry expertise and connect with other businesses. Last but not least, we have YouTube, the second largest search engine after Google. With its focus on video content, YouTube is an excellent platform for tutorials, product demos, and brand storytelling. It's also a great place to reach a wider audience as it caters to all demographics. So there you have it, 5 different platforms, each with its unique strengths and marketing opportunities. But remember, it's not about being on every platform. It's about being where your audience is and delivering content that resonates with them. So choosing the right platform for your business is crucial in social media marketing. So, we've talked about what social media marketing is and how it works, but what impact does it have? Well, let's dive right into it. Social media marketing has revolutionized the way businesses interact with their customers. It's not just about posting updates or sharing content anymore, it's about building relationships, creating a community, and nurturing that community into loyal customers. One of the most significant impacts of social media marketing is its ability to increase brand awareness. Businesses can reach millions of potential customers worldwide with just a click of a button. By creating engaging content and fostering interactive discussions, businesses can cultivate a strong online presence that resonates with their target audience. This not only draws attention to the brand, but also helps to establish it as a leader in its industry. Beyond brand awareness, social media marketing also provides a platform for businesses to improve their customer service. In the past, customers would have to call or email a company to voice their concerns or ask questions. Today, they can simply send a tweet or post a comment on the brand's Facebook page. This immediate communication allows businesses to address customer issues promptly, resulting in improved customer satisfaction and loyalty. But the impact doesn't stop there. Social media marketing also drives sales. By promoting products or services on social media platforms, businesses can directly influence purchasing decisions. In fact, studies have shown that social media users are more likely to make a purchase after seeing a product or service advertised on these platforms. Moreover, social media marketing offers valuable insights into customer behavior. Businesses can monitor what their customers are saying about their brand, their products, and their competitors. This allows them to adjust their marketing strategies accordingly, ensuring they continue to meet the ever-changing needs and desires of their customers. In short, social media marketing can greatly enhance your business. It can help raise brand awareness, improve customer service, drive sales, and provide valuable consumer insights. So, are you ready to harness the power of social media marketing? So there you have it, a crash course in social media marketing. We have journeyed together through the nuances of this dynamic and influential field. From the introduction, where we defined what social media marketing is and its purpose, to the nuts and bolts of it, we have covered the breadth and depth of this fascinating domain. As we delved into the various platforms of social media marketing, we discovered how each one has its unique characteristics, advantages, and challenges. From Facebook to Instagram, Twitter to LinkedIn and beyond, we explored how these platforms can be harnessed to reach a wide array of audiences and achieve a multitude of marketing objectives. The impact of social media marketing cannot be overstated. In our digital age, it has become a fundamental tool for businesses to connect with their customers, foster relationships, and drive growth. We took a closer look at the substantial influence social media marketing wields and how it shapes the way businesses operate and engage with the world. To wrap up, let's remember that social media marketing is not just about promoting products or services. It's about creating meaningful connections, sparking conversations, and building communities. It's about understanding your audience and delivering value that resonates with them. It's about being authentic, consistent, and innovative. As we move forward, we must keep in mind that the landscape of social media marketing is constantly evolving. It's an exciting challenge that requires us to stay updated, adaptable, and always ready to learn. In the grand scheme of things, social media marketing is a powerful tool in our digital arsenal. It's a space where creativity, strategy, and technology intersect. It's a field that is as diverse as it is dynamic, as complex as it is compelling, and as challenging as it is rewarding. Thanks for joining us on Digital Dynamo. Stay tuned for more insights from the world of digital marketing. Remember, the digital world is at your fingertips.